have to continue this chanting either in perfectional state or in the perfect. Satatam Kirtantam Ma. In the Bhagavad Gita, you will see that this Kirtan is recommended continuous, Satatam. Satatam means all, either in the imperfect state or in the perfect state. The process is one. It is not like the Maharaj, that first of all you chant, it's chanting, when you become yourself God, then there is no sense. Stop. This is Maharaj philosophy. This is not real position. Chanting will continue even in your highest perfection. But that chanting, and at the present moment chanting, there is little difference. Yes.
If our rasa with Krishna is eternal, and we want to have the rasa of lover with Krishna, but is it possible to change if our rasa is with like father to son? We cannot never become lover.
No. You have got eternal relationship. That cannot be changed. You are constitutionally in position. Either you have got, but every relationship is spiritual and nice. If you have got that inclination that you want to be Krishna's lover, then that means originally you are already in relationship with Krishna. In that stage, that will be revealed when you are in perfection and devotional state.
The other night you said if one uses his body for the service of Krishna, then his body becomes spiritual. How then is his body still subject to change?
Spiritual, in the sense, just like this example also I have given several times. Just like you put an iron rod in the fire, when it becomes warmer, red hot, it is fire. It is no longer iron. Similarly, when you are completely absorbed in Krishna consciousness and service, you are completely spiritual. Your material activity, because your material activities have stopped, therefore your body is no longer material. Materialism means, just try to understand, what is materialism and spiritualism? Materialism means sense gratification. And spiritualism means to love God, that's all. Personal sense gratification. Here the relationship is just like a girl or a boy. The so-called love is sense gratification, that's all. There is no love. As soon as there is some discrepancy of sense gratification, or there is separation. There is divorce, there is separation. Because the so-called love is based on sense gratification. That is material. And when there is no sense gratification, the satisfaction of the lover only, that is spiritual. So, in Krishna consciousness, when your business will be only to satisfy Krishna, then you must know that your senses and your body has become spiritual. Actually, in higher platform, there is nothing materialistic. Higher platform means when a person sees nothing but Krishna as everything. Even himself is also Krishna. Everything is for Krishna's satisfaction. That is the highest stage of